Hi, my lovely Sagittarians. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Sagittarians, today we are going to do the reading for your sign for the month of March 2021. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, please take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? And please do not forget to check the other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. So Sagittarius, I'll jump directly into your energy. I am feeling extremely intense energies right now. And I'm feeling very specific energy now. Just one word that this might not resonate with all, because the energies are too intense, and I feel it will be applicable only to a specific few. Okay. The emotions are basically very high. I am feeling extremely emotional, anxious. There's this strong urge of speaking. Someone wants to speak his or her heart out. Okay, the emotions are really running very high, and someone just wants to break free. And someone just wants to communicate. It's like pent up. It's like someone's emotions were really bottled up and pent up, and it's like opening the door to a dam, okay, and let the water flow, just flow. And someone just wants to speak his or her out, whether or not the other person likes it, and it's just that I want to speak, you take it or leave it, but this is what I am feeling, this is what I have in my mind, and this is what I need to speak, and this is what I'm going to speak, that kind of energy. So yeah, I mean, there is this strong urge of breaking free, and once that person does this, that person is going to feel very is feeling extremely relaxed, is what I am feeling right now. Okay, so like I said, guys, even the cards have been extremely flighty throughout the shuffling time. Okay, the cards are just jumping out from all the three decks, and they are feeling extremely light. Okay, they're just jumping like anything. So yeah, I don't know whom this is applicable to, but yeah, it's good to speak your mind out, guys. Do not hold up for too long. Just speak your mind, and I'm sure you'll feel better. Okay, guys, so yeah, let's get started and see what we have for you guys for this month. There I see. Okay, very strong energy. Even now I'm feeling, in fact today the entire day I've been feeling extremely restless. I don't know why. By the way, I am a Sagittarian too. My sun sign is Sagittarius. Okay. The energy at the bottom of the deck is Star. Wow, someone is healing, someone needs to heal. Judgment. Wow, Queen of Swords. Someone is about to speak his or her mind, guys. Definitely. Yeah, a lot of emotional clutter. Sorry about that, clutter. Ace of Swords in reverse. I don't know why. Okay. Ace of Pentacles. Wow. I'm for sure taking this card. Wow. 10 of Cups. King of Pentacles. Wow. Nice. 8 of Swords. Yeah, someone feeling stuck emotionally right now. Okay. So let's get started with your reading, guys. The energy at the present level, or the present energy, I would say, is that of 4 of Swords. Now this is you guys doing a lot of thinking. You are sleeping with some thought, thinking a lot about something. This is also, I feel that you are not in communication with someone. Okay, or someone is not talking to you, and I feel that is what is bothering you. Okay, and then probably, or yeah, like I said, yeah, I feel that person or you guys are going to talk to each other after a small or rather considerable gap. Okay, the communication had ended abruptly, but then either you or that person is going to approach you, and you guys will strike a conversation with each other, and then that will be the trigger point. Like, you are just going to just going to pour your heart out. You're going to speak whatever it is in your mind is what I see. But currently definitely the communication is off. Someone is not talking here something with someone, and that is what is bothering you a lot is what I see. The energy at the crossing level is that of Nine of Pentacles. I again feel that this is you, someone who is single, someone who is very much successful professionally, someone who is taking care of himself or herself, paying her own bills, her or his own bills, extremely independent person over here. Okay, this person is single in terms of relationship is also what I see. Completely someone who is standing or sitting in his or her energy is I feel over here. Just going about his or her own routine. Okay, work, office, her own hobbies, just indulging in, or rather busy in his or her own life is what I see over here. Yeah, the energy at the recent past is that of Two of Swords. Now this is you wanting to take some decision, struggling to arrive to some decision. I wonder why. This is something which is eating a lot of your energy. Okay, it's like this is something that has put you on crossroads and you are just not able to decide which path to take. Okay, that kind of energy I'm feeling over here. The energy in the immediate future is that of Page of Swords. Now this looks to me, this entire thing looks to me connected. This Four of Swords. Now whoever is not communicating with you, or if you are not in communication with someone, but there is some serious talking going on here. Okay, you guys are checking out each other on social media, WhatsApp, Facebook, checking each other's posts. If you guys are on Instagram, you guys are seeing each other's posts. That kind of thing. I mean, even if you guys are not talking to each other, you guys definitely are still very much interested in knowing what is happening in the other's life. Okay, and you guys are definitely stalking each other is what I strongly feel. There is a lot of air involved in this reading. Probably you have air in your chart. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or the person with whom you are dealing, they have air in their chart. Yeah, lot of serious and lot of strong energy, guys. I really wonder what's happening with you. Yeah, Page of Wands. Okay, now this is Page of Wands and Page of Swords. I feel that some Page of Wands is at your subconscious level, by the way. Now this is again, I feel this page and this page are related. Someone, you guys really like each other, but either of you or both of you are behaving a little immature in this situation. Okay, you guys need to behave like grown-ups. Okay, and need to have some clear and concise communication with each other. It's not going to help you that you guys are stalking each other, and that's not going to help. Okay, what is needed is clear communication, because I clearly see that you guys are very much fond of each other. You guys are passionate about each other, but what is lacking is a little maturity in this situation is what I see over here. Interesting. The energy in the crowning position is that of Emperor. Now I feel, Sagittarius, this is you. This is an Aries card, by the way. This is, you are embodying this energy, because I feel that you are going to put your foot down over something. You are going to be very headstrong about something, about your point that you want to communicate to this person, that no, I am not going to compromise on this issue. Okay, I really this is what I believe in and this is what I expect. Okay, that kind of communication is what I see over here. Definitely someone who is going to stand up for himself or herself and speak his or her mind is what I see. Yeah, it's like I am not ready to take any more nonsense, or I am not ready to settle for anything less is what I see. Someone being a little stubborn, but I don't see it in a wrong way. Okay, the advice card is that of Queen of Cups. Now I feel again this is you embodying this energy, guys. You are extremely emotional right now. The emotions are running really very high over here. This Queen of Cups, this is a This is a water energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but Sagittarians at this moment of time, I definitely see this is you. You know, you are trying to tend to your feelings, tend to your emotions, take care of what you feel is right, okay, rather than what others feel, or you know, or rather than always tending to other people's needs and other people's emotions and thoughts. You know, for a change, this is you who is paying attention to what you feel, okay, what you want, which is a good thing. In the external influences, 10 of swords, ending of something, okay. Now again, air energy, lot of air energy, guys. I feel, guys, that whatever this has happened, okay, between two people, again, this looks to me like more of a relationship reading, guys. This it isn't a career reading. I'm sorry for that, but the messages are really very specific to someone's personal life. But that is what I'm getting through these cards. 10 of Wands is you guys are putting end to something, okay. Whatever that has happened between you is something very much major, and it's kind of teaching you some lessons, okay. It's like it will make sure that you guys do not repeat the same mistake. You know, that kind of energy I'm getting over here. Yeah, this is a very painful phase for both of you guys, but I'm sure you're going to come out wiser through this. You're going to learn your lessons through this, is what I see over here. In your hopes and fears, I see 8 of Wands, a lot of communication coming your way. Like I said, either you or someone else is going to just flood each other with messages, okay. A lot of messages are going to be exchanged over here. I also feel that some of you guys are going to travel, okay. Either you or that person will travel to see each other, I feel that some of you guys will also have overseas travel, okay. Now please note that this could be after a couple of months, because this is the energies are when I say this is possible, please note always that it can come into manifestation a couple of months later, okay, guys. Yeah, I see a lot of communication, lot of speedy communication, lot of passionate communication being exchanged between two people, because the energy at the output level is that of a Queen of Wands. Now this queen, again, this Queen of Cups and this Queen of Wands, this is same person's energy. I see this queen is standing in her full glory, okay. She knows what she wants, she knows what she's talking about. Even though she is emotional, she knows, she's very sure about what she's talking about, okay. She's extremely passionate, she's extremely headstrong lady, okay. Please forgive me if I'm speaking in terms of she. Actually it could be he also. What is important is the energy and not the gender, guys, to whoever this is applicable. So this could also be a man that we are referencing over here, but this is someone who is extremely passionate and extremely sure about what that person is talking about, okay, or wanting. Yeah, there are 3 queens, if I'm not wrong, in this reading. I saw Queen of Swords also over here. Yeah, now I don't see this as 3 different energies. I see that this is only one energy, okay. You are taking or you are embodying energy of these 3 queens, okay. Queen of Wands, Queen of Swords and Queen of Cups. You know, you are extremely sure of what you want, or you know, it's not that you're getting carried away in the emotions, but you know that you need to speak this, you know that you need to put your foot down, you know that you need to communicate this to that person at this point of time, and that is what you're going to do, okay, guys. That's what this queen is telling me. Like I said, the energy at the bottom was that of star. This is a Aquarius card. Someone is healing over here for sure. Someone has thought a lot about the given this current situation, whatever this was, okay, whatever this ending was or whatever this incident was, has caused caused a lot of pain to you guys, and you guys are, now you guys have learned your lessons very well, and you guys are now balancing things out. Okay, you guys are in that healing mode. You guys are taking the right steps now, right actions, right decisions is what I see over here, and it's a beautiful energy, guys. Learning, there's nothing nothing better, or nothing yeah, I would say better than having learned your lessons. Okay, King of Pentacles. Now this is a slow moving energy, guys. Someone is working slowly but steadily in achieving his or her goals. That this is what I am seeing over here. Probably you guys have some career goals for you set for yourself, and you are working very diligently in achieving those goals, because I see Ace of Pentacles also over here. So whatever it is that you are working towards, guys, know that you are going to have you are going to get the fruits, or you'll be succeeding at that. By the way, the card Six of Wands kept on popping out while I was shuffling. So definitely some sort of victories in pipeline for you guys. You are going to succeed in whatever it is that you are headed towards or working towards. It's a lovely energy to hold, guys. This talks about definitely prosperous, abundant new beginnings. Okay, and then there is Judgment and Ten of Cups. Now I am feeling very happy to hold these cards. I feel that after this Ten of Cups, having this after this Ten of Swords, having this Ten of Cups and Judgment is a very good news. Okay, someone definitely is going to mend things. Someone is going to mend the relationship, take the right actions, and whoa, the clock is showing 21:21. Just the perfect timing. The spirit guides are like, yes, you got it right. Well, the thing is, guys, whatever it was, whatever the issue these two people are having, okay, be it in your family, or be between two people who are dating, or be between a couple, or whoever this is, the issues are going to be sorted out. You guys are going to talk to each other. You guys are going to give a second chance to each other, because both of you are aiming towards this. Okay, so probably it will take some time, but I am very sure that this is going to lead to a happy ending, and I am so happy to see this after such a heavy energy. Seeing this Ten of Cups and this Star card, holding the Star card, is feeling really good to me personally, guys. So whatever the dark period was, whatever the heavy energies was, or the dark patch was in your life, it's going to lead to a happy ending, and that's what matters. Everything is well that ends well, as the saying goes. And I'm also very happy to see this Ace, this Ace of Pentacles, the new beginnings in terms of career for some of you guys. Okay, and new prosperous and abundant beginnings, I would say. Something that you had really dreamt of, and the dream job kind of an opportunity for some of you guys. Let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Ready, set, go. Wow, you guys are just like I said, I had this that image of a dam door opening kept on coming to my mind, while I was shuffling, so it's like breaking free, and just heading towards fresh start. Now is the perfect moment to dive in and embrace your heart's desire. What a lovely card. What a lovely card. I am so happy to get this card for you guys. Sagittarians, wonder what's happening in your life. Let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Oh. Don't let pride get in your way. Now this card I have got for some other sign also. I don't remember. I think, was it Aquarius? I don't remember, but yeah, I got this card for some other sign for sure. Let's see what we have. I want to pull one more message for you guys from this beautiful deck. Let's see what we get. One more message, please, for my lovely Sagittarians. Okay. A win-win outcome is forecast. Wow. Lovely. Like I said, guys, there is this judgment card. So whatever is happening between these two people, okay, these two energies, you guys are going to definitely come to a consensus and going to give each other a second chance, give your relationship a second chance, and I'm sure the outcome of this is going to be really nice and for your highest good. Lovely card. Lovely card. Yeah. So Sagittarians, like I said, this is a very specific reading and I'm sure it's not going to resonate with all. But to whoever this resonates, please let me know. You can drop comments or you can drop me personal message, okay? Like the video if it resonates with you, okay? If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Also guys, in the month of March, the YouTube channel of Tarot Talks is completing one whole year and I'm so happy and proud about it. So on this occasion I am offering flat 20% off on all my personal readings, okay? So please let your friends and whoever might benefit with this, please let them know, pass this word. And yeah, with this I leave you at that. See you next month guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.